Hello and welcome back. Are you looking for a getaway that won't break the bank? In today's video we're going to look at CL sites and why they could be your next perfect escape. A CL site is known as a certified location site and you can book them if you're a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. The Caravan and Camping Club also have similar sites and they're known as CS sites. A CL site doesn't have more than 5 pitches for caravans and motorhomes, and you tend to find them on working farms mainly, and they have absolutely stunning scenery. We've stayed at some really nice CL sites over the years, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to share some of these with them. One of them, which is our favourite, also has a private swimming pool that you can hire, and it's only £20 a night. We like CL sites because we find them cheaper than a lot of the club sites and other private campsites. CL sites tend to cost around £20 a night, and that includes electric hookup. You're not charged extra for having an awning or dogs or children, which to me makes them a lot more affordable. Now, if you're worried that you think you have to be off-grid, then you don't. All the CL sites that we've stopped at have all had electric hookup. We have stayed at one with metered electricity, and it didn't cost us as much as we were thinking it was going to be. Take a look at our video on this site, which we stayed at in the New Forest. Also, if you think that many of the CL sites don't have facilities such as toilets and showers. Yes, they don't have the huge toilet blocks that you tend to find on club sites, but the CL sites that we have stayed at have all had a toilet and a shower that you can use. What we like about CL sites is that they are quiet. They have no more than 5 vans allowed on the site. Even with a child, our child has loved it because we found that many of them are on working farms and allow you to go and pet their animals that they have. You can buy your fresh eggs. Some of them have even allowed you to order your fresh meat, and lots of them offer the most spectacular scenery and walks around. We also find that on CL sites lots of the pitches are much bigger than they would be on a normal campsite, and they offer the most stunning views. We've also found that many of the pitches have ended up being fully serviced, which is even better, and at £20 a night you certainly can't grumble at that. At Easter we've ended up booking a CL site. We are off to Abersoch in Wales. We've never been before, so if you have any recommendations of places to visit, please do comment in the comments box below. And when I was looking for a campsite around Abersoch for Easter, lots of them were already fully booked. However, I reached out to a number of CL sites and lots of them had availability, which was brilliant. We've booked one and it's very close to Abersoch. In fact, it says that you can walk along the beach into Abersoch, which is brilliant. It is metered pitch, so we'll let you know how much it will cost us per night to have the electric. I thought I'd share with you some of our favourite CL sites that we've stopped at, as you can never go wrong with recommendations. We've stayed at some really nice ones in the Peak District. One of them was Crow Trees, which has a small CL section of 5 pitches, and then it has other pitches that you can book if you're not a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. The pitches are around £20 a night, and they were gravelled, spacious and with lovely views. It does have a toilet and shower block with more toilets and showers than you would usually find on a CL, and you can even order your sausages for breakfast in the morning. We really enjoyed our stay at this site. It's not too far from where we live, and from there we had some lovely walks to a very quirky pub where there was a tortoise in the corner, there was Queen Victoria stockings. It was like a museum. On one of the other days we had a trip to Alton Towers Water Park, which is only a short drive away. So I definitely recommend Crow Trees if you're looking for a CL site with a few more facilities than you would usually find on a CL site. favourite CL sites in the Peak District has to be Fairboroughs, which is just outside Leek, and it offers the most stunning views we've ever had on a pitch. It looks over onto a wooded area where you can hear the stags and deer in the morning and throughout the day, and it really is the most stunning site we've stayed at. They have 5 pitches. They also have a VIP pitch, whereas if you're not a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, you can have that private pitch, which was a little bit bigger than the other CL pitches, and again offering those spectacular views. It has 1 toilet and 1 shower, and if you've got your own horse, you can even bring it up and stable it there during your stay. There's a lovely duck pond to walk around, and there is a lovely lake not too far away that we walked around, which was lovely. That was called Ricknold Lake. From there we had a trip to Emma Bridgewater in Stoke-on-Trent to the factory shop there, which I definitely recommend if you are a pottery fan. And again, we had a fully serviced pitch there, and it was £20 a night, and you can even book online on their website. The CL owners were really friendly, and I definitely recommend and return again. Another CL site which we can't wait to return to again was called Green Gates CL, and it was just outside Stratford-upon-Avon. The pitches were spacious and they were separated by beautiful blossoming apple trees. It had a newly refurbished shower and toilet block. In fact, it had 2. It had one at the top of the site and one at the bottom of the site. And just down the road from there was a lovely farm shop that you could walk to, and it had a really nice cafe as well. And we carried on and we walked into Stratford-upon-Avon itself. It was a good walk, and I think there are some CL sites a little bit closer than that one, but we made it into Stratford-upon-Avon, where we had a lovely wander around and came back to the site. It is near a busy road, which you could hear, but after a while you just got used to the noise and just ignored it. But it was a really nice site. Again, fully serviced pitch and only £20 a night, so a bargain. While editing this video, I have found that Green Gates Caravan and Motorhome site is not actually a CL site, as it does have 10 pitches. Nonetheless, it's a lovely small site that I would definitely recommend and return to again. Our absolute favourite CL site that we have been returning to now for a number of years is Walpole Old Hall CL site, just outside Southwold in Suffolk. It's set on a working farm. Not only is it a working farm, it also has a company on there that makes its own ice cream. And in a little shed there is a freezer where you can help yourself to ice cream, and there's an honesty box, and you can also help yourself to fresh eggs. Pitches are spacious with 5 pitches, and then it also has another pitch in like a separate field where you have it all to yourself there. And we've seen that people have gone in that one with a caravan and maybe some family or friends who don't have a caravan but have camped in a tent. So it does give you that option as well if you're going with friends and maybe who aren't a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. What we really like about that site is there are some lovely walks. In the village there's a lovely play park as well you can walk to, and it has the added bonus of an indoor heated swimming pool, which you can hire during your stay. In the pool there are a number of floaties as well for you to enjoy. There is also 2 toilets and 2 showers as well there. On the farm there are also holiday cottages. I believe there are 3 holiday cottages that you can hire as well. We've been returning there year after year, and I hope now, since I've shared this, we'll be able to get in next year, because I know this year when I contacted Lucy, the owner, she said that she only had 1 pitch left for the week that we wanted. So it is getting more popular, and I can understand why. At only around £20 a night, you certainly can't complain. With caravanning and holidays becoming more expensive and always finding ways to find a cheaper way to holiday, please do let me know in the comments below of any CL sites that you stayed at that you would recommend. Also, if you're a member of the Caravan and Camping Club and have stayed at any CS sites, please do let me know of them also, as we always are toying with the idea, do we join that club as well as the Caravan and Motorhome Club. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really is very much appreciated. Many thanks for watching and take care.